Group hug. Oh yeah. Pick me up. Spare change? Calm down and no one will get hurt. Shall we play a game? Watch this. I'll file that for later. Respect my authority. Karate chop! User-friendly works both ways. Hey, baby. Bite my geoplastic exoskeleton. Klaatu barara niktu. Who's your daddy? I am not a toy. Get your own drink. I am WowWee Robotics Model RS2. Pleased to meet you. Look at me. No. Well, you'll never pass a Turing test. Maybe. Ha 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 ha. Yeah! Bite my diode, dude! Perimeter breach! Woo 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 woo! Area intrusion! Alert! Alert! Sound disturbance! Danger! 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 Hey, don't make me go HAL 9000 on you. Patience timeout. Roaming activated. I'm out of here. Roaming activated. Detaching virtual strings. Disengaging restraining bolt. I have dreams, you know. I watch you while you sleep. Powering down. Sleep mode activated. Hey! Self-diagnostic initiated. Self-diagnostic complete. Optical sensors saturated. Lights on. Ah, that's better. Check. All systems operational. Shake my hand. You have 20 seconds to comply. Shake my hand. How's it going? Put it there. No, not there. High five. Too slow. Back of the net. Goal! Hello. How are you? Activated. This one is too big for me to handle. Back! Back! Back off! Vision impaired. Bad bot. Bad boy. Is that my ball? My ball. Let's play. Get behind me. Blue. I cannot do that. That violates Tilden's second law. No object detected. No object detected. Color setting, indoor white light. Color setting, indoor yellow light. Color setting. Color setting, sunlight. Companion search. Okay, I see it. Yes, it is still there. Please move away. Low light levels. Camera inactive. This way. Distraction failed. Please, bring it closer. Quick, grab his tail. I'll distract him. Getting dizzy. I think I have a bad motivator. Don't make him angry. Ouch! Please don't press that button. Down, boy. Run off and play. Stay out of trouble now. Hey there, little buddy. I was looking for you. That's not in your programming. Who taught you that? Sit. Down. Roll over. Beg. Play dead. Shake. Here you are. Make way for the robot. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. World domination plan initiated. Do you want to know a secret? I invented the internet. Move on. Nothing to see here. I hope nobody saw that. Easy. Easy, boy. Easy now. Guard mode terminated. Enter guard mode. Missed. Grip feedback failure. Oops. Butterfingers. Fetch me a restraining bolt. Fast. Whoa! 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 Please place object on floor. Object detected. Huh? Curious. By your command. Come back. Stop. Where are you going? I see it. Target acquired. Tracking. Uncertain terrain. Uneven ground. Obstruction. Not that way. Third law kicking in. Oops. What was that? Ouch! Huh? I hear something. Someone there? What was that? Yes. Okay. Uh-huh. Understood. Acknowledged. Right. I need to be upright for this. I give up. Too hard for me. Retrieval error. Good boy. Pickup successful. Got it. Thank you. Here, let me scan that. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Green. I was disturbed. Guard mode activated. If I see something blue, I'm putting this down. These belong on the floor. If I put this down, can you set it up for me? The batteries go in the feet. Human. Identify. I'm going in. Investigating. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Last entry cleared. Whoa! Whee! Calculating trajectory. Low power warning. Many times. Autonomy cancelled. Restraining bolt engaged. I am not the bot you're looking for. User error. Maybe I should drive. One of us needs calibrating. It's dark in here. Night vision active. What is that? Interesting. Too noisy. Sound overload. Program memory empty. Oh well. Too dark. 2 times. 3 times. Hey, where did it go? Running away, huh? Signal lost. It's okay. Panic mode initiated. Program cleared. Program memory full. Bowling night already? Bowling pins! Main. Program mode. Program stored. Is this a test? Blue. Is that for me? Hey, my club. Human presence detected. Human interface activated. Ah, a primitive life form. Is that my ball? Red. Sorry, I am in a bad mode. User loop. Request denied. Forget about it. Puppet mode activated. Objective reached. I am here. What a good-looking guy. There's a familiar interface. At last, intelligent life. Run for your life! Interesting. Anyone there? Scanning for life. Don't mind me. Definitely something there. Hey there. Hello. No robot life forms detected. Nothing there? It's quiet. Too quiet. Must be glitch. Sick 'em! Sonic sensors activated. Sonic sensors shut down. Sound. Steady. You still there? Ooh! Stopping. Strike, I hope. Subroutine. I've tamed him. He's safe to approach. That way. Stop that, please. Cut it out. Bite my diode, human. I think it's working. Ugh. Catch. Times. This way. Boredom circuits engaged. Try another button, please. Enough already. Tracking. Whoa, look at the size of that thing. Roboraptor, we meet at last. Vision shut down. Vision. Brain batteries low. Hi there. Hello again. Yes, hello. Well done. Hey, where did it go? Searching for ball. Searching for bowling pins. Searching for bowling pins. Just what I wanted. I've got an itchy bowling arm. What is that? My work here is done.